So you want to deactivate your Shopify store? Well, not to worry. We've got a solution for you. So tune in to discover a hassle-free way to say goodbye to your Shopify store. So watch until the end to know how to do it. So you can't exactly delete your store per se, although there is a method to deactivate it. So that is the method that I'm going to show you. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto settings. All right. And underneath plan, you're going to click on plan, and over here you're going to see you have a bunch of different options, right? You can also go ahead and visit billing as well, so you can change your billing out, so you can change your billing method as well. But for now, I think we're good, and we can go ahead and click on plan. Now over here they say that you can just simply go ahead and deactivate your store. So you can just simply click over here, select a reason as to why you are closing this store. Just say I plan to still use Shopify but work on a different store, or I'm switching to another platform, I don't have time, I'm just testing Shopify out and stuff like that. So you can choose your reason right here, and you can add anything you like. I am permanently closing this business associated with store, so you can choose that. This will allow you to delete your business or Shopify store. So we're just simply going to select that and click on continue. And over here, after you deactivate store, you will no longer have access to the Shopify admin, including your sales data report and all of that. If you decide to give this another try, we'll retain your information so you can kickstart your store. So you can go ahead and click on deactivate store. Now I did read over here that over here you can go ahead and delete your store, all right? But they don't give you an option. I don't know if this is an old article or not, but in my opinion, I think this is an old article. So you can't really you can't really delete your store, so you can just deactivate it. So you just simply click on deactivate, and congratulations, your store is now deactivated. It is not live, you will not be billed or anything like that. As you can see right here, your store is deactivated. You can create a new one if you want, but yeah, this is how it looks like. Now, if you still have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below. And don't forget to watch these other videos next to take your e-commerce business to the next level. Click the link in the button if you found this helpful, and hit the click the like button if you found this video helpful, and hit the subscribe button as well to stay updated on all our latest tips and tricks, and keep learning, keep growing, and keep thriving.